delegates on my back the other side.
At this moment, I must respectfully acknowledge the distinguished Inspectors General of Police who have served before me. Through their leadership, dedication, and sacrifices, they laid the foundations upon which the Nigerian Police Force continues to evolve in response to the security needs of our nation. The Office of the Inspector General of Police represents a continuum of service and responsibility passed from one leadership to another in the collective interest of the force and the Nigerian people. Whatever progress was in my tenure will therefore be seen as part of that continuing institutional journey. Leadership of the Nigerian Police Force is therefore never the story of one individual, but the unfolding story of an institution in constant service to the nation. I wish to express my profound appreciation to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, for the confidence in me to serve as Inspector General of Police. The opportunity to lead this great institution remains one of the highest privileges of my professional life. During my tenure, deliberate efforts were made to strengthen institutional processes and enhance the operational capacity of the Nigerian Police Force in responding to contemporary security challenges. Our administration pursued reforms aimed at reinforcing professionalism, promoting merit-based advancement, strengthening intelligence-led policing, and expanding the operational capabilities of the Nigerian Police Force. In furtherance of these objectives, the Intelligence Bureau was expanded and upgraded to the status of a full department, now headed by a Deputy Inspector General of Police. The legal and medical units were also elevated to directorate status to improve institutional efficiency and service delivery. Our Cybercrime Center was further developed into a sophisticated facility capable of monitoring Nigerian cyberspace and supporting modern investigations. Investigative and operational capacity was further strengthened through improvements to the National Criminal Database and the professional training of operators across commands up to the divisional levels. Operational presence was expanded through the establishment of additional police mobile force squadrons. We also created new area commands and divisions to bring policing closer to the people. We established the Special Intervention Squad, which has continued to record notable operational successes across the country. Community engagement and strategic partnerships were equally prioritized. Stronger collaboration with both local and international partners enhanced the global standing of the Nigerian Police Force and created new opportunities for officers, including international scholarships and specialized training programs.
This pulling out parade in honor of the 22nd Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, PhD, MPM, FSPSP, marks the formal conclusion of a distinguished policing career spanning over 3.5 decades. His retirement on the 25th of February 2026 brings to a close a professional journey that has left an indelible imprint on the Nigerian Police Force. Born on the 4th of September 1964 in Yewa South local government area of Ogun State, IGP Dr. Kayode Egbetokun retired has distinguished himself not only as a dedicated police officer, but also as an accomplished scholar and a strategist. His intellectual pursuit of knowledge, which culminated in a doctorate degree in peace and security study, reflects his deep appreciation of the evolving nature of security challenges and the importance of informed leadership in addressing them. His career in the Nigerian Police Force began in March 1990 when he enlisted as a Cadet Assistant Inspector General, Inspector Superintendent of Police. From those early days, it was evident that he possessed both the discipline and foresight required for leadership in policing. Like many officers who have risen through the ranks with distinction, his journey through the police force took him across various operational and administrative assignments that broadened his experience and strengthened his understanding of policing in Nigeria. A defining chapter in his professional life was his service in Lagos State House, where he served as Chief Security Officer to the Governor of Lagos State at that time, when His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, now President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, was Governor. Over the course of his career, Dr. Egbetokun continued to rise through the ranks, serving in various command, operational, and training capacities across the country, from leading the Rapid Response Squad in Lagos, to commanding police mobile force operations, to serving as area commander in Osogbo and Gusau. He consistently demonstrated courage, discipline, and sound operational judgment.